guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be starting a new series. A series where that you build chairs. Really? It's called My Factory Tycoon. I think I'm gonna name this title, Anyone Want to Buy a Chair? Huh? Okay, let's get started. So I'm pretty advanced, don't question in the comments, so I'm gonna fast forward it. So yeah, I've been addicted to this game for 1 hour. Don't question it again. Let me start packaging some sevens that I don't like, some normal numbers. But I like faster. Don't care. Why did you voice reveal your voice? Commentary. Yay. Why did you reveal your voice? I don't know. Why did you reveal your girl voice? I'm a boy. Shut up. I don't care. I'm a boy in real life. Don't question. So yeah, I turned off the Wi-Fi and turned on airplane mode because my battery is kinda going low because of this app, because this app is the most battery usage, so airplane mode is the best for that. Thank you for the gold. Okay, the train is now in the transportation area, so we have some gold. So let's reload our train so we can go to another world. Now we can fast forward it because of the box. Everyone, tell me in the comments, do you like me commentating or just make this series or other videos silent and just put music? Cause I don't know, you fans are the responsible. Let me get him high. Dang, he's faster than a Hammerman and Thor. Sheesh! Luis! So, we're gonna call that an episode right about there. So, it's been enjoying. So, if you want a part 2, make sure to drop a like and comment. So I commentary. So I know that you love this series. So, bye bye. See you. Subscribe. Bye.